All utilities and contractors want to have the best field app that runs on any device, works offline, and can be installed by anybody without any IT help. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to install Fieldman on my iPhone. Field worker receives a text message with a link, username, and a password on his phone. He opens the link and adds it to his home screen. Next, he opens the app, logs in, and goes to work. The amazing thing, the app is already configured for the project. Field workers don't have to call IT for setup instructions, and field workers don't have to go through some cumbersome registration process. All work orders for today are already there. The best field service apps should be intuitive and easy to install. Intuitive means all technicians, every one of them, will love the app and actually use it. What you just saw is called a Progressive WebApp. It's not a traditional app from the App Store. It's actually a website running inside your phone. And it's the next generation of apps. Well, that's it, folks. Let's go to work.